Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. It has been about 8 weeks since my accident. I can almost lift my arm straight over my head. It's close. We're getting there. Anyway, released by my orthopedic surgeon to return to full active duty, but I have to step it up with some more intense physical therapy because of the shoulder. A little quick reminder, motorcycle accident, low speed, low side, but slammed down hard. 30 miles an hour and 5 broken ribs, a shattered scapula, to be quite honest, on that one. Punctured lung, and it wasn't looking good. So anyway, I'm back. Took a little time off to kind of rejuvenate a little bit, and a little depression kicked in there because, you know, not on the motorcycle. And that's about it. If you see this shirt can only mean one thing, that I'm going to be at Laguna Seca this weekend for MotoAmerica, cheering on, of course, Ducati Warhorse and that team. And I got to tell you, I am another Ducati fan with Kayla Yakov, so I like the kid. I see her at Jennings all the time, so I'll be cheering on her. So anyway, if you're going to be at Laguna Seca this coming weekend, please look for me. I will be wearing this shirt hopefully all the time. It's going to be, we'll see. The weather's supposed to be actually pretty good, so we'll find out if I get a chance to wash this. I brought some other shirts and stuff like that. So I am released to full duty, but I am not getting on a motorcycle just yet. And the reason why is because I am going to wear a vest. Number one, I'm not fully healed. And if I wreck again, I'm going to really screw up everything even worse than I am now. So that means that I need an airbag vest. And I think I've decided on the, ready? Tech Air 7. By Alpine Stars. That's the direction I'm going to go in. That's what I'm going to wear. I know I'm a little concerned that it's going to stick down a little bit on the tail because it comes with the back plate and it sticks down because it's more of a open, down riding position like that. But anyway, that'll come in handy when I have that over there. Maybe not so much when I'm on that Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. But anyway, I'm back. Thanks for those who kind of stuck around waiting for me. I have a ton of comments that I haven't really had a chance to do anything with. So I really, really appreciate everyone being here. Listen, please like, please subscribe. I know this is like a low budget version of a video. I'm trying to keep it relatively short, but you know, I'm a little long-winded and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling way better than I did. A lot of milestones with the rehabilitation, especially your shoulder. There's a lot of moving parts in the shoulder, but I'm coming on strong. And soon, the Tech Air 7, I will do a review once I get my hands on one and I start wearing it and go back to riding. I'm going to give it a little bit more time because I looked at the x-rays today with the doctor and it's healing. It's not healed. So some loose parts in there, but coming along pretty good. Laguna Seca coming up this weekend. Please say hello. Look for me there. Reach out. It would be awesome. All right. So anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. And have a good day. Go Ducati. Bye-bye.